nandito na naman ako sa still in Juno. Continue, we're just strolling around and this is the Shrine Chapel, Saint Teresa Shrine, Saint Teresa Shrine. It's Catholic. So we're here right now. Yeah, it's very nice. Still in Juno. Still in Juno. Okay. Here is trail to Shrine Chapel. Nandito yung mga kuan, nag-aaral ng pagkapari, pagkamadre. Nandito sila. Chapel nila to. Ayan guys. Papunta tayo doon. Na ang ilahang chapel nandoon sa gitna ng dagat. Kaya pero meron silang ano doon, daan papunta. Parang island. Foot trail to public toilets. Shrine Chapel, Televisor Cabin, Lodge, Liberon, Colomborn. Basahin nyo yan. Ayan. Grabe guys, no, kung mag-aral kayo ng pagkapari, madre, ito. Ito tayo sa chapel nila. May mga cabin dito. Yung cabin. Dito ako sa cabin, guys. Cabin po to. Wala pa ako sa chapel. Dito lang ako sa cabin. Yan. Cabin. Yan, malaki. Merong malaki na cabin. Meron din maliit. Ganda. Punta tayo sa baba. Ayan, papunta tayo doon sa baba. Ayong mga kahoy na yan guys. Kahoy yan, diba? Tingnan nyo yung kahoy na tayo-tayo. Middle of ocean yan. Doon ang chapel. Yung sa gitna na yan, sa mga kahoy, chapel yan. Pero ang nakikita nyo kahoy ha, diba? Punta tayo doon mamaya ang laki ng chapel. Ayan. Yan ang trail papunta sa chapel. Amazing guys, diba? Talagang kahoy lang siya, oh. Mga kahoy. Nakatayo mga kahoy. As in malaking kahoy, pero chapel yan. Let's go there. This is so awesome. Wow. Very nice. Super nice. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. It's the big chapel, a cabin right there, guys. That's a big cabin right there. So peaceful. Very peaceful. Tama nga, Bet. Nandoon tayo eh. Yung bato na yan. Yung bahay-bahay na yan, Bet. Oh my gosh. Tama talaga ang nanay ni Garrett. This is so good in here.
Kain ka yung cabin.
So peaceful. Ayun, may cabin niya. Mga cabin
Ayan,
dyan.
hindi yan.
Wala na siya dyan ngayon. Umuwi na. Ayan, mas malaking cabin. Maraming cabin. So, 1, 2, 3. May mga cabin papunta doon.
Mahal yan, preso.
Oo, yan siguro. Kay...
Hindi yan. Kung walang tubig.
So ngayon, ito yung last day namin. Kaya, lakot siya ng lakot sa kahit saan. Tahimik talaga, grabe, ang ganda. Kung ka dito, yung bang gusto kang mag-aral, na yung mga project o yung mga may exam ka, dito ka na lang mag-aral sa imong test kasi mingaw, ang ganda ng hangin, walang manggugulo sa'yo. Ang daming tanawin. Nakaka-fresh sa iyong, ano, sa imong mind. Dito tayo. This is Saint Teresa's Shrine. Saint Teresa's Shrine. Beautiful, beautiful. Saint Teresa Shrine. Petrol nga pala doon.
Breakfast, brunch, lunch.
That's gonna be fun, guys. It looks like fun. It looked like a puzzle. Yeah. And where is the starting?
You start right there.
Mm.
Come in and then you go. No, you don't trip over that line of rocks.
Oh.
Yeah, you don't step over the rocks. You have to stay.
Wow. This takes forever. Okay, the starting point is here.
Really forever.
Well, guys, this is like a good exercise in here. It's mind exercise.
Okay, we'll finish getting out of this.
It's a mind exercise, guys. This little stone. It's good exercise.
That's a shock. Wait, and then did she figure out all the turning that she didn't want to do it over again?
I can't take it. It's done. So anyway, guys, let's going there. Let's go there. Let's go there. Alright, I'll see you in my next video. It's gonna be part 4 or 5 or maybe 7. Yes. Okay. See you in my next video. Biblical Gardens. I was there and it takes forever.
You're rubbing it in the eyesore light.
Merciful Love Labyrinth. Okay, let's go to the. Let's go that. It's a house, but it is a tree. Big house in the middle. In its house is like for the priesthood and nunhood, yung nag-aaral ng mga priests. Shrine Chapel, Way of the Cross Trail. No toilet facilities on island. Foot traffic only. Okay. Let's go to the shrine. This is the entrance to the shrine.
Whoa, look at all those cabins. A lot of
Tahimik masyado ha. Sobra katahimik. Ito na tayo guys. Akyat na tayo doon. Ayan. Wow. Punta ka doon. Wow. Ocean in the bottom, in the other side. Sa likod ito ng shrine house. It's ocean. Bye.